Lost your Monzo card and need a new one quickly? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to reorder a replacement card fast. First, open your Monzo app and make sure you are on the home screen. Tap on the account tab at the bottom. This shows your current Monzo card. Now tap the card itself to open the card management options. Select Replace Card. You will be asked to choose a reason like lost, stolen or damaged. Choose Lost Card. Once you confirm, Monzo will immediately freeze your old card so no one can use it. Next, enter or confirm your delivery address. If you need it urgently, check if express delivery is available in your area. Tap confirm and your replacement card will be ordered. You'll see the estimated delivery date right on screen. While you wait for the physical card, you can still use your Monzo virtual card or add Monzo to Apple or Google Pay to keep spending. And that's it, your lost card is reordered in under a minute. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.